Hi guys, it's Belinda. Today I wanted to do an honest review on this CUCKOO cooking pot. So it's got great colors, as you can see, the red and white. Up here you can take this off and wash it. It's for where the steam comes out of. In here you can also take the top lid off and wash it. It's held in with that clip and that comes right out. And in here is where all the magic happens. So it actually helps you out a lot. It shows you how much water to use, and then rice. I'm going to say rice, for instance. You can do a lot more in here. You can do baby food, multi-cook, porridge, steam, brown rice, white rice, but I just love it for the rice. And sometimes I even use it for instant rice, and it's amazing. You think, why would you go through that and put instant rice in this pot? Well, I'm going to tell you why. It actually, you just measure it like it shows with this cup. You put your 2 cups in. It's already pre-measured. You add your 2 cups of water, since it's 2 cups of rice, and you close it and you set it. And it cooks it perfect. It'll preheat it. You don't have to worry about it. So you can go on, do your laundry, housekeeping, other foods, whatever. You don't have to even look at it like you do if it was on a stove. And it also will keep it warm. So if your supper's not ready, you just press the keep warm and it'll keep it warm. Or if you're gonna eat it all day long, just press the keep warm and you've got warm food. So I just love this little rice maker. It's small, it's light, it's easy, and it makes wonderful food. So now I just got to try more recipes. Oh, and my one daughter uses the baby food one, and it's amazing because you can put fresh vegetables and meats in here and make your own baby food right in your own house. It's also got reheat on here and a timer. So if you want your porridge ready for breakfast, if you hit the timer, it'll start and be ready for when you wake up. It also comes with this spoon, the measuring cup. So I hope this review helps you on this CUCKOO all-in-one food maker. And I thank you for watching and have a lovely day.